A largo plazo. A largo plazo. What does this mean? Largo plazo. Largo plazo. You know, largo means long. Plazo works mainly with just this phrase. Plazo by itself. I mean, you could say corto. Corto plazo, a corto plazo, a largo plazo. We will talk about that, of course. A largo plazo specifically means, it's a phrase, and it means long term. Okay? Long term. I know in Spanish, term is término, but when you're referring to long term, you use plazo. Okay? Término, no. You use plazo. Okay. Let's look at an example. Quiero una relación a largo plazo. Quiero una relación a largo plazo. This means I want a long-term relationship. Okay? When you don't want to play around, fool around, you want to find the one. You can say this. Quiero una relación a largo plazo. Let's break this down. Yo quiero, or just quiero, means I want. Una, a, of course. Relación, relationship. A largo plazo, the phrase we just learned, and that means, you know what it means, long term. Oops, sorry. Long term. Now, if you want the opposite, maybe you just don't want a serious relationship. You just want to, you know, just not a serious relationship. You can say corto plazo. Corto plazo. A corto plazo, it's the opposite, short term. Okay, so short term. Quiero una relación a corto plazo. So that's the opposite. You don't want a long-term relationship. You just want to, you know, I mean, which is fine. If you don't want a serious relationship, you can just say that, right? I think that's important to be honest, you know, and say what you want, especially if there's going to be other person involved, right? So, yeah, quiero una relación a corto plazo. I want a short-term relationship. You can also use this phrase if you're talking about, for example, when you buy something and you're going to pay every month for that, you know, monthly fees or monthly payments towards, I don't know, a car, a house, or anything. You can use this term as well, long-term debt or short-term debt, and so on. So it's a very good phrase that it basically means, I mean, if you're saying corto plazo, short term, if you're saying largo plazo, long term. Okay?